Shocking truth. Are you constantly battling low energy, fatigue, and sluggish performance that secretly sabotage your sexual vitality? The secret to unlocking peak male health isn't found in expensive supplements, but in a simple, delicious detoxifying recipe using figs and prunes. This powerful smoothie is engineered to naturally boost metabolism, improve circulation, and flush out toxins, giving you the sustained stamina and confidence to perform at your best, both in and out of the bedroom. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm revealing a crucial urologist-approved ingredient that will make this drink a potent natural performance enhancer. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, actionable changes. Today, I'm thrilled to share a powerful, secret recipe featuring figs and prunes, two humble fruits that are absolute powerhouses for detoxification and a sustainable energy boost. This isn't just a simple fruit drink, it's a strategic nutritional formula designed to support your body systems from the inside out. This potent beverage will not only ensure your energy levels remain high and stable throughout your demanding day, but its primary function is to help flush out toxins, which dramatically improves your overall health, paving the way for superior men's sexual health and vitality. Optimal internal cleanliness is the first step toward peak performance. Bananas, the stamina and heart health base. We begin by incorporating a versatile, readily available fruit, the banana. Grab one large, ripe banana and start by slicing it up. Bananas are clinically recognized as an excellent, readily available source of potassium, an essential electrolyte that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, which is crucial for cardiovascular health, the bedrock of erectile function, and keeping your muscles in shape and functioning optimally. Furthermore, did you know that bananas not only provide a rapid, clean source of energy, but also actively boost your mood? This effect is largely thanks to the presence of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body uses to synthesize serotonin, often called the happiness hormone. This mood boost contributes directly to reducing stress and anxiety, which are major enemies of sexual performance. We'll throw the sliced banana into the blender first, creating the creamy, nutrient-dense foundation of our energizing detox smoothie. Figs, the antioxidant and digestion powerhouse. Next, we introduce the first of our star ingredients, figs. Figs are incredibly healthy, and their benefits extend far beyond simple nutrition. They are not only packed with dietary fiber, which is essential for improving digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, key for detoxification, but they also contain vital nutrients that actively strengthen the immune system. We need to chop the figs into small, manageable pieces to ensure they blend smoothly and release all their beneficial compounds. By the way, please leave a comment letting me know where in the world you're watching from today, so I can give you a shout out. I love seeing our global community committed to men's health optimization. Beyond fiber and immune support, figs are densely full of powerful antioxidants that actively fight free radicals and demonstrably slow down the cellular aging process, a true anti-aging benefit for long-term vitality. These antioxidants are crucial for maintaining the health of your vascular system, directly impacting blood circulation necessary for peak male performance. We will add the chopped figs to the blender with the banana. Prunes, metabolic health and cholesterol normalization. The second star ingredient we incorporate is prunes. Prunes, which are simply dried plums, are famous for their remarkable benefits to heart health and digestive health, particularly due to their high fiber and sorbitol content. They are incredibly rich in a spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse for men's vitality. Prunes also play a significant, functional role in improving metabolism and possess documented ability to help normalize cholesterol levels in the blood. Given that high cholesterol is a primary risk factor for poor vascular health and erectile dysfunction, ED, the inclusion of prunes is a strategic move for men's sexual health. They help thin the blood and improve flow over time. We will chop up the prunes to help the blender process them efficiently, and then add the chopped prunes to the blender as well. Now that our powerful solid ingredients are in the blender, we integrate the liquids and the crucial, often overlooked final components that elevate this from a simple smoothie to a targeted men's performance and detox formula. Milk, the recovery and calcium base. We will pour in 200 milliliters of milk. The choice of milk can be tailored to your diet, dairy, almond, oat, etc., but low-fat dairy milk, in particular, is a well-known, excellent choice for post-workout recovery due to its blend of protein and carbohydrates, and it helps maintain a healthy calcium level for bone and nerve health. The milk acts as the perfect liquid medium, ensuring all the powerful detox and energy compounds are efficiently mixed and made easily digestible. It makes the entire formula palatable and creamy. Honey, the antiseptic and immunity boost. Next, we introduce a spoonful of sweetness and functional health benefits. We will add a spoonful of honey. Honey is not merely a delicious natural sweetener, it is a time-tested functional food with powerful antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Its inclusion supports the immune system and helps soothe the digestive tract, reinforcing the overall detoxification goals of the recipe. The sweetness of the honey beautifully balances the earthy notes of the figs and prunes, making the entire drink a truly enjoyable part of your men's health routine. Secret ingredient: cacao nibs for blood flow and mood. Now for the urologist-approved surprise, the extra ingredient that elevates this drink into a potent natural performance enhancer for men's sexual health: cacao nibs or dark cacao powder. I recommend adding 1 teaspoon of cacao nibs or high-quality dark cacao powder. Cacao is one of the best natural sources of flavonols, which are powerful antioxidants known to significantly improve endothelial function and promote nitric oxide (NO) production, the key chemical needed for blood vessel relaxation and robust erectile function. Furthermore, cacao contains trace amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which provide a gentle, natural energy boost, and the compound phenylethylamine, PA, which is known to boost mood and focus. Essential psychological components of peak male performance. The addition of cacao strategically targets the vascular system, making this a true recipe for sexual longevity. With all the powerful ingredients, banana, figs, prunes, milk, honey, and the secret weapon cacao now in the blender, we are ready for the final step. We will blend the mixture thoroughly until it achieves a smooth, consistent, and creamy texture. And that's it. Our antioxidant-packed, energy-boosting, and detoxifying drink is ready. This drink is far more than just a quick fix. By combining high-fiber figs and prunes with the vascular support of cacao and the energy of bananas, this formula provides a comprehensive approach to men's health optimization. The high-fiber content accelerates the body's natural detoxification process, ensuring that toxins and waste products are efficiently flushed out, reducing the systemic burden on the liver and kidneys. When the body's internal systems are running clean and efficiently, energy levels naturally soar, and the vascular system is free to perform its primary function, delivering essential blood flow to all parts of the body, including the crucial pelvic region. This improved circulation is the direct pathway to enhanced erectile quality, stamina, and overall sexual wellness, helping you achieve and maintain peak male vitality well into your later years. This powerful drink is scientifically designed to give you a noticeable boost of sustained energy, robustly support your immune system, and act as a daily detoxifying agent. Don't forget to subscribe to Men's Health so you won't miss any new recipes, natural performance hacks, and expert urology tips. I'll be sharing more actionable advice that will consistently improve your well-being and help you feel and perform at your absolute best. Achieving sexual longevity and peak health is a marathon, not a sprint, and this recipe is your daily fuel. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.